Ball.
Ball.
Pew.
We're in the life of the Bebsi.
How'd that happen?
Oh, there!
Any Evos in the race?
Torque wrench.
Welcome to EMT. I'm dying.
This is a heavy gearbox, so this is going to be extra weight.
Jamie, what you got here, lad?
So we have got
K24 engine, fully sleeved. This engine done 8 seconds, 5 times, yeah? At 183, 85 as well, or 182.
But this extra part I got on my gearbox, does anybody know what that is? Put in the comments right now. You know, if you ain't guessed it yet. Transfer box!
On what car, Jam?
It's going...
On
I'm
what
not showing
car?
you, they're not
Okay,
actually-
they're not allowed to see the
All
car.
I know is
it's in the paint shop, that's why.
It's called the Bebsi.
Bebsi.
The Bebsi. The Bebsi. Bebsi 2.0. Okay, Pasha.
Ora.
Ora! See, you got it right, yeah.
You have to wait for the right specific time for that.
Okay, this
Ball.
ball.
Hey! Ora.
Come on. Yeah, we can go in the angle.
No, Baba says Jamie.
Jammin.
Jammin. Pasha, you keep an eye underneath, okay?
Underneath. Okay.
A bit more. Okay then.
Okay.
Alright, off you go.
Right then.
Is the back okay?
Back is looking fine.
Okay, wait till.
Okay.
Hold on. You need to take these back up. Pasha's put them in Pakistan.
Bug is done. Wait. Wait. What did you?
Broke it. Broke it. You can work with that for a minute.
You can. What it?
In the words of my boy Gordon, fuck off.
You Jamie Dodger.
You left the gate open.
You left the gate open.
No, bro, I locked it.
Bro.
I fully locked the gate.
Yo, I don't like opening nothing. Who's it? Yes.
How'd you get in?
You got key card.
Look. Pew.
Give me that. It's actually a good one that is compared to these.
New valve springs.
Ciao.
Coil springs.
Jammin.
We're in the life of the Bebsi.
As B would say, Dippy's left his foil here.
We don't use no guns on this car.
No, have you noticed? Talk to spec.
I noticed.
Can I have the gun now, please?
Yeah.
Talk there, bro.
Ziblu.
She's not going.
You're not going.
She's not going. Just a little wiggle.
Pasha got 3 arms.
Hit me.
Nah, you know. Unless he's right. He's going. He's spinning the right way.
Moo.
Project.
Project Moo.
It has to go this way.
Oh, see.
What made you go with the bear?
You know, there's an AI bear in it with that hair,
You want to look like Big Al?
and it looks like me. Jamie, you're in bloody engine bay, Jamie.
He's in Dubai.
What is in the bay?
He's in Dubai.
I'm in Dubai running from all the people that needed these, you know. Show me this gun actually first. Thank you, sir.
Fresh forces. Going to rob a bank with black Air Force Ones.
It's 19. And get a 19 socket.
But you like them? I hate them.
You don't like them?
They look too small.
The cabron. They look a bit floppy, innit? Oh, I'm so sad. Look like AJ's front end. His front end looks so sad. It does look sad. That's why I keep sending it, but he's fucking upset. It's like droopy. Ooh.
We got tin foil.
Dippy's been here. Big up Biggie. So the all-wheel drive hatch is being built. The engine's going in. What are you doing, Jammin?
We are out here today. This is the EG, by the way, that is all-wheel drive.
Secret one.
The secret one, not secret anymore.
Yeah, top secret.
So it's only going to be running about 550 brake. We're just going to get
Times 2.
Don't listen to that bitch ass.
I do want to run at 8.
Hey, no, hey man, I'm gonna get off the line and break a 2. I'm gonna break all 4 shafts at once. And then I'm gonna be like, how'd that happen?
Pasha's fault.
Don't
Oh,
be,
God, man.
no, don't be, yo.
Pasha.
Pasha, tell him, yeah?
Oh, there.
We are not gang affiliated, but when shit hits the fan, we phone Pasha. So this is the 550 brake all-wheel drive that's coming on board. We're just gonna make sure that it works. We're gonna push it a bit, we're gonna put a big turbo on it. You might not survive, but let's see what happens, innit?
Okay.
That's it. Me versus your coupe next year.
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put the coupe on my driveway. Put mayonnaise in the fucking engine. In the D series, whatever the fucking shit thing, yeah. See when I can blow it up. That's gonna be funky. Me really like sweet corn. We put sweet corn in there. Baked beans.
That floor is smart, yeah. That's what it is, because basically I watched the engine bay with it.
What do they do?
Nothing.
Just a degreaser.
It's just scent. We couldn't find the right scent around here at late night, so we bought that one. Yeah, it's like it's for bacteria, innit?
Okay.
Okay. He's like, what the fuck?
Oh no, no. Why'd you
Actually,
use?
good.
You need a fucking air freshener.
They look wrong. Which dress? My cables, they look wrong. They don't look right. No. Go and have a look at my ones, how they come out. See if they're in the same level. Let me go. Yeah.
Me? They come with showing your torch. What? It looks like they
Go
go.
to the left.
Yeah,
Oh, you mean like?
Yeah, that's the only hole there.
The only one hole there, yeah. Yeah. They look nice, innit?
It's a new dawn.
It's a new day.
It's a new life for Pasha, and he's feeling good.
Yeah, recording. I don't care about you. Yeah?
Oh, she looking good, Jammin.
Spin the wheel. You're not gonna do nothing, there's no drive shafts then? Oh shit. You can spin the back wheel as well. Oh, watch it. This lick me over there, my chin, you know, blood.
This is a jump shade all-wheel drive hatch. Not a coupe, it's a hatch. KOOP. Coupe. Engines in the Bebsi. The mounts are mounted up-ish, somewhat. We're looking up there and over here. And it's gonna be an exciting time for Mr. Jamshade.
Yes sir, should be exciting. So, it's gonna be a K24, stock engine, 550 brake. It has got a good box, that's the only thing it has got, a good Gearx box. 6870 turbo is gonna go on the center feed, all of that stuff. We're just gonna make sure that the car works. We've never had an all-wheel drive. Well, we've had one, but we've never had it rolling, driving. I can't get my fucking words out there.
Yes, man.
But yeah, anywho, so we're gonna get it all ready. You need to get the front end on it yet as well and everything. And I'm gonna map it on K-Pro. I know 550 ain't a lot for an all-wheel drive.
It's a start though, innit?
Yeah, let's just
Start.
try and see, innit?
You want to unveil the car,
But
the name.
I don't know what's it called, but at the moment we're calling it the Bebsi. As everybody
Bebsi.
knows, I had a Pepsi Max. This is called the Bebsi with a B. Anywho, any Evos in the race? Evo, anything all-wheel drive, innit?
Oh.
Launch, roll, whatever.
Look, you got the surfer in the back, Jam, man. Look how sad it looks.
She's beautiful, man. Look how she's shining.
Yeah, but look.
You can drop the engine out of that. Big plans for that next year. But if you want to know, got to tune into the next episode.
Hey. Pasha got me a ripple. Jam, I need to pick your brains for a quick second.
Let's go.
What case, what parts do I need for my coupe?
Okay, so obviously you're going to make a coupe, you're going to make a case swap, and you're going to make it turboed, yeah? So, engine mount, shifter cables, shifter, you need an EP3 engine loom, whatever engine you decide to go, yeah? If it's boost,
24.
24, let's say you go 24 boost. Either way, you need a 5-speed gearbox, yeah?
What 5-speed box?
I normally get them off the Stream, but if you can't get a Honda Stream gearbox, which is V2 M3, you need to get a NRF5 or something, Type S one. But my boy normally has them up in Leicester, so we can holler him anyway for him. What inlet you gonna run? Do you know?
A rep side feed.
A rep side feed, 90 mil or
70. 72.
That's fine. But I would still say buy a relocation alternator kit. It's only because it looks pretty. Because they're out the way. That you need to buy. See, on this car, there's a few biscuit parts, but fuel rail, regulator, and then lines. You don't need to worry. You can make the lines yourself. Or you can buy a kit as well. Regulator, fuel lines, injectors. You need a 15 or 1600cc minimum if you're going to run 50/50 meth light.
That's down the line though.
Yeah, but even if you're
for
going to
now?
go boost, you need to run at least 1050cc minimum.
Okay. Can I NA with 1000cc or
Yeah.
the cycle too
No,
big?
that's fine. Don't stress about that. They can do that. Dry shafts, you just buy K20 dry shafts.
Okay.
And then I'll make them for you. That's not a problem.
Ooh.
K-Pro ECU or K100 or whatever ECU you decide to put in there. Sidewinder manifold.
Mm-hmm.
Or you can make, if you're going to go NA, you put an NA one. We've got an NA one in stock as well right now. Are you coming at the bonnet or you going exhaust?
Exhaust. For
We've
now.
got an exhaust system as well, so if you need an exhaust system, holler us.
What don't you have, Jam?
That's your basic, you need a K-swap dash loom.
Case up dash loom.
It's not called a dash loom, it's just called a K-swap loom, innit?
Mm-hmm.
They're about 120 quid, I think.
Mm-hmm.
That's all you need from inside. Is yours automatic or manual?
Auto at the
You
minute.
need to buy pedals.
Yeah, Biggie's sorting them out.
That's alright.
Big Biggie.
Done, sorted. Fuel pump.
Okay.
340 LPH minimum. I've got one in stock. What
Smash
else?
it. Smells like a bargain here, Pasha.
And then obviously intercool. I got intercooler as well. If you want to buy intercooler right now,
Perfect.
You can walk with it right now. And there it is.
We keep it here for now.
Yeah. So there we like, where the fuck am I gonna put it at home? B series aluminium rod. Buy one. This style. You can buy one off eBay though. They're still about 96 or 100.
Small one and a half.
This style, yeah. And then we can put the A in. We can move the fittings wherever the hell we want. Chop on one. That's not a problem. And that's about it really. Yeah. And then obviously all turbo little bits. I'll help you with all of that. You don't need to worry about all of that. And then these are all extras when you buy your turbo kits. You need to buy a boost solenoid, just control the boost. And that's about it really, you know, child.
It's gonna be good.
Hopefully that should clear up a few of the things that you need.
So don't go and buy the wrong parts again.
No.
Or
Even-
subpar parts.
Yeah. Even water housing kits, I think I've got loads of K21s. I'll give you one of them as well. Them little turbos that Biggie gave you for me today. This big. We need that as well for yours.
The one that didn't fit. Have a word with Biggie. Biggie!
What the No, it did fit. It just they sent me one fitting wrong. That's okay. It worked though. It's on, innit?
Well, it's about to
What
get
else do we need? Split K3 split shaft, and you need a K20 sump.
K20 sump. Oh, I was gonna stick my Moroso oil pan on.
Yeah, or you can put that on, yeah.
It's a bit massive, but will it fit?
They will fit, but what I don't like about them, you have to run like 8 litres in them.
Yeah, 6.5 liters. Soon come. Coupe. This is a 4-door. It's the coupe's older brother. It's gonna be interesting. It's gonna be nice, you know. It's gonna be. Just can't wait to showcase the full project. We're gonna blow up the D series engine that's in it on my drive. See what we can do. Think mayonnaise, ketchup, baked beans, sweet corn. Gonna put pizza in there. You name it. Finally, they don't blow up, but we'll see. Enjoy the journey. So no, I will. Big up Jammin for helping with the build. This ain't the build, but you know, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be Gucci. It's gonna be nice. He shouted a lot of parts at me. I'm still gonna be like, oh Jam, what do I need? Probably in the next video, you're gonna see me with a black eye because Jam's probably gonna. What?
Croc.
Told you 25 million times. Yeah, Jam, but what if I forget this one? You know what, Saj? Fuck off.
Buy a shifter plate as well.
A shifter plate. Billet shifter plate.
Ball.